Welcome back to my channel! So today we're going to be doing this gym makeup tutorial. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and give me a thumbs up. Alright, now let's get into this video. Alright, so normally I don't really wear makeup to the gym, but I've been seeing a lot of people who are wearing like full faces to the gym and like that type of stuff. So I was like, you know what? People are obviously interested in this, so I thought I'd make a video about it. So, I've already put on like my acne stuff because I've got some maskne going on right now. Not cute, but whatever, we're dealing with it. So, okay, so now that I've got that on, we are going to moisturize our skin. Now I've got a new product in here for everyone. So, this is the Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi. Okay, there we go, pink. They're anti-pollution drops, fortifying bronze. So, these things, let me put it right for you. You basically just add them into your moisturizer and they give your face a nice bronzy finish. The whole thing about them is that it's the benefits of the sun without being in the sun. So we'll take it because your girl got super sunburnt from 4th of July. Not on the front, but on my back, because I didn't even think about like my lower back. That was a stupid, bad move, especially because I always preach about sunscreen. Stupid move. So I've already bought my little acne stuff. I've got some new products I'm going to review once I'm out of the product because I heard from like a dermatologist that, you know, if it says 8 weeks, use the whole bottle and then see how your results are. So that's in the works. But right now, we're just going to start with this and our moisturizer. So I'm just using the SPOOLIE. I don't even know, people say it's so strange. HENRIKSEN. I don't know why, but like that does not come off the tongue well for me. But we'll be using that. A little bit on the back of your hand. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of this to it. So I'm gonna move out of the frame and see if I can do that. Okay, so we're just gonna go right here. Cool. So that's what it's gonna look like. And then we're just going to scoop it together. So face before. I'm not gonna put it on my chest, but face before. Mix it in your hands. And apply that everywhere. Also, I got these little press-on nails. I'm gonna put another video up about that. $7, you can't beat it. So I don't know if you can notice a difference on camera, but in person, I got a little tan at the face now. Which you could literally, for gym makeup, add some of these to your moisturizer and you're good to roll. Now, because most people don't have beautiful, perfect skin, myself included, I need a little bit more oomph to the face. So I'm gonna grab my favorito, CC Cream Illuminator. And this one's light to medium, or light medium. And I'm not even gonna use a full pump, just a little bit. And I'm gonna go in the back of my hand with just my big fluffy brush. And I'm gonna focus this in like the center of my face. So definitely this little oomph on the face. And that just adds a really thin layer of coverage to your face. It also, if y'all didn't see, has 50 sunscreen in it. Now the gym I go to, as I cover it, the gym I go to has an outside area, so you need to make sure your chest, your face, everything is protected from the sun. And, let's see. Okay, so after you have your base on, the Kardashians, if you're a fan or not, whatever, it's all good. Khloe Kardashian, my favorite one, when she works out, she puts just highlighter on her face and she gets a lot of compliments. So we're gonna take that inspo and I'm gonna be using my BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector. So it's not a highlight, it's a skin perfector, but it's super light. It doesn't look too crazy on. So I'm just gonna be using that. And just one of my brushes, and we're just gonna be putting this on top of the skin. And you can put a little on your eyes too. So once you start sweating, you're gonna look all glowy. And just take your foundation brush and just touch that all into the skin. Okay, so now we have it all on our face. Now we're gonna do an eyebrow product trick. So you will need a thing of soap. Yes, it's dirty because I've already used it. And a spoolie, a thin spoolie. So what you're gonna do, this is called soap brows if y'all have heard of it. Take this, put your spoolie on it. Just go back and forth, little product. And now, the magic happens. Where the fuck is my mirrors? Hold on. I cut my eyebrow hair, which I shouldn't have done, but I did. So, now we're just going to run this through the eyebrows. And you kind of want to bring everything up. And same thing for the other side. If the soap dries in your spoolie, just wash it real quick. Grab some more product. Okay, so I've loaded it back up. I'm just going to go right on through again. You'd be surprised how much brow hair you have if you just comb it in the right direction. Because I was like, oh, my eyebrows are so sparse. Or sparse, whatever you say. Sparse? I think it's sparse. I'm gonna go with sparse. How funny they're talking about the gym outside. The lady went back to the gym. It's not too bad. Why am I eavesdropping? Always eavesdropping. Okay, so we got crazy eyebrow. Ramsey, get over here. So once you have that once you have that where you want it, you just kind of like groom the top of your hairs. Now, you can put, like my eyebrows are not perfect, there's like that little gap there. You can put product there if you like, but I'm just going to the gym, so I feel like I don't want too crazy perfect eyebrows. So I'm just gonna do that. That's pretty much good for the Steve Meister. Okay, now for lips. First step you're gonna do is wipe off the foundation you got on your lips. And second, this is the LANEIGE lip mask. Let's get us a scoop of this. And with this lip mask too, I kind of bring it like up around my lip line. So that's the part that catches the light, so you look all sexy. So yeah, we're looking moisturized. Now, this is the part you can do it or not do it. It's all good to go. I get really kind of oily in the center of my face. So I'm gonna be putting a little bit of my DERMABLEND powder there with a buffer brush. And just kind of press this into your T-zone. I'm okay with this staying all highlighted and stuff. And over my eyes too. Okay, so this step now is optional. You can leave it at this, you're good to roll, got some coverage, feeling good, boom, ready to roll. Now we've completed our base, we're going to start on eyes. So step number 1, curl your lashes. I had eyelash extensions for 2 years and I used to have amazing eyelashes and now they are straight as a stick. Okay, so curled eyelashes. I'm gonna do this side one more time. Cool, that are the curled lashes. Okay, so you are welcome to stop at the step or continue. I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara on. I'm not gonna do like a full coat. I just want them to look a little bit black, you know? A little bit full. So we're just gonna add that on real quick. I'm just kind of focusing the mascara too at the ends of my eyes. And yeah, that will conclude my gym makeup. Very simple, very quick. One more thing I gotta add into it. It's not makeup related. The Sweet Sweatband. Have y'all seen this? I've had this thing for like 2 years. I've worn it on and off. But I love this thing. I think they're on sale right now. I can list it down below. But I use this and the Sweet Sweat, I think they call it the stick. It's a workout enhancer. These two, love these things. Now, is this gonna replace diet and exercise? Hell no. It's going to enhance it, as it says in the bottle. But I really do like this. And honestly, your skin is so moisturized after you use it anyways. So it's a win-win for the Steve Meister. I got mine on Black Friday, thanks to my husband Bear. But I love this stuff. So I just wanted to add that in there because, you know, quarantine, we all got a little thick extra C, myself included. So, gotta get all that water weight and all that crap weight off from eating so much crap. And I mean, we're still in quarantine, so it's kind of now to, you know, pick up and get back to normal. So yeah, that's another recommendation I have as well. So yeah, that is going to conclude the video. So that is just some gym makeup. It's also like super simple everyday makeup if you were going to Target, run an errand makeup, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, if you like these type of makeup tutorials, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.